Hello, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Thank you for watching. Another part of my meal prep that I'm about to do is the egg casserole that I eat every morning for breakfast. So I'm going to spray these a little bit. And then next phase, I'm going to set them out on these cookie sheets. And I'm going to go ahead and start heating up the oven, and we will get to the egg part. You know, it's funny how you don't know what you don't know because you don't know it even exists. One of y'all, please don't get mad. We know my memory. One of y'all said, Terry, why don't you just cut the vegetables and put them down in the bottom of your thing first? I'm like, well, I don't know. So, I guess a pretty good idea. So I'm going to put some vegetables in here and some vegetables in here. And instead of doing the other way I was doing it, which was sprinkling it in, I don't know why I did it the other way. It just seemed like a good idea. So I'm going to do that. And maybe, there we go. So now, while I'm at it, I might as well put the bacon pieces on the bottom too. I always do 2 servings of bacon pieces per 1 serving, so your fingers are wet and cold. So I always do 84 grams of real bacon pieces. And then there's that one. And I've got these real crumbled bacon pieces. I need to go back to Sam's and get some more of these. These are really good. I'll show you the difference in them as soon as I get this out. Just a second. Alright, so here's the difference. You can really see the difference. This right here is those Sam's bacon pieces. These right here is the other one. Even a good one of these, it's lighter in color. See how light that is compared to those? So even the good ones, it's lighter. So I'm going to sprinkle this around, about half of it. Sprinkle this around. A little bit of bacon pieces in every bite. So you want to make sure you get it all over. Alright. And the cheese I will do on top. So while I'm measuring, let me go on to weigh out. I do 84 grams of cheese. This one is, what is this? Reduced fat Fiesta blend, because it was a lower priced or lower calorie cheese. So I still do the same amount, 84 grams, because cheese, 84 grams is going to be a half of a serving of cheese for every slice. So, right, let me put these things away, and then we'll get to cracking the eggs. Now, let's get into our eggs. And have no fear, quality assurance is on the other side of the camera. Keeping everything on the up and up. Making sure I'm doing everything appropriately. And try meeting their standards. So, 30 eggs. Pull these out, set them there for the moment. Where's my thingy? Right here. Set that there. Get my gloves on. I got a trash can down underneath me. Time out, I gotta blow my nose. Hold up. So, right now I'm gonna crack all my eggs in here. This is funny. The edge of this looks like it was burned. I don't know. It don't usually look like that. That's okay, don't hurt anything. Alright, let's go this way. So I'm gonna do 3 rows to get my 18 eggs. I'm just gonna crack 18 eggs into here, and when I'm done, I will whip them all up. So I'll get back to you when I get through all 18 eggs. Lou came over, and he's tall, so he's faced right into the trash can, and he decided to pull one of them eggshells out of the trash can. He took it off a little bit, and he licked around on it and decided that wasn't the best thing he ever had, and so he just left it behind. I was cracking up. Hold up, we know what I forgot. What do I forget every time? Salt. Get some salt in there. Some black pepper. Okay. Why not add a little bit of, what's this stuff? Potassium. Like salt substitute. Alrighty. There we go. Now, I put a whisk on my electric thing. Nope, you don't have to do this. You can use your fork. But I'm too lazy. And I'll pop the end off. And I'll set this over here because we have another one to make. And I'll pour this in. I'm not making any muffins today, or any muffin tops today, so this will be just fine. All right. Where's my cheese? Here. So we're going to do half of the cheese. Oh no, that looks like about half. And we just sprinkle the cheese on top. And make sure each piece gets a little bit of cheese on it. All right. So now this one's ready to roll, so I'll finish the other one. I'll be right back. Hey, really quick, I know I've always heard that you should crack each egg separately, not into whatever it is you're making. And I hear them say it's because sometimes there'll be a bad egg. I have never seen what a bad egg looks like. I mean, I may have had a bad egg, but if it was a bad egg, I had no clue. For those of you like Nona Grace, or if you have your own chickens, or if you've ever cracked a bad egg, is it because it's like an egg that was raised by, not from like not the kind you get from Walmart? Where have people gotten their eggs from whenever they crack a bad egg? Like, I've heard people say it'll have like a blood spot, which I don't really know what that means, because if the egg was supposed to have been a chicken, there would be blood in it. So I don't really understand what that means. So yes, you could tell me, just Google it, Terry. Well, my hands are full, and by the time I get done cracking these eggs, I'm going to forget that I even asked this question in the first place. So that's why I ask you all questions, because you all can, most of the time you all comment down in below, so you could give me some education down in the comment section. Let me know. Say, hey Terry, bad eggs look like XYZ. So also, I really like these crates. Let me find my dealie. Hang on. I'm going to have 28 eggs left. And so, so 28 divided by 2 is 14. Let me see something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So that would be 28 divided by 2 is 14. So 6, 12. So I want to cut this. So I'm going to cut this. This is what I've done in the past. I cut the tops of these little jobbers. Cut the top, cut the top, and cut the top, cut the top. So from there, then I just kind of bend it. And then I do this. Then, let's see how many will fit in here. No, that was just paper, buddy. I think this had fit 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that leaves me with a few eggs left. Ooh, I could probably do this, this, and this. So it'll take up less space, but that don't make no sense because I want this to sit on top of that. All right, then hold up. Let's do this again. Just slice the top. I don't go all the way down in that bottom little thing, in the little bottom well. I just go across the top of these. Now, if I just buy the 12-pack of eggs or 18-pack of eggs, then I wouldn't have to go through this drama. But we all like a little drama from time to time, don't we? And then just fold it, tear it. Because what I'm wanting is I'm just wanting this little section. So I can go, this may not be a good idea. May not be such a grand idea. Then I'm going to see if this will fit in the refrigerator. Hang on, I'll show you. Okay, you can see there's the broth and it's cooling. And it's starting to get a little film on the outer edges of it. So that's the broth as it's cooling. And then look, the eggs fit. So I got my 18-pack, and then the 12, and then the 5. And so they'll just chill out right there, and I'll pull them out when I need them, like for breakfast and stuff. Okay, bye. I've got the oven set at 350. Now I'm going to put this one in. And I'll be danged, a while ago, whenever I was messing with the ground beef and the broth, I got my pot holders dipped down into the grease, so I'm going to have to wash those. So I'll have to use something different. I don't know what I got, but anyway, I got this. This will work. So anyway, so those will go in. I'm going to set the timer for 55 minutes. Hey, Ziggy. Egg timer, 55 minutes. Hey, Ziggy, set an egg timer, 55 minutes.
Egg timer, 55 minutes, starting now.
Atta girl. Okay.
Would you like to try the crossword puzzle of the day?
No, I don't want to try the crossword puzzle of the day. But thank you for asking.
I'm not sure.
Okay, so I'll see you in 55 minutes. It's still watery in the middle of them, but I'm going to swap them around. Look, you can see it. See how it's wiggling in the middle? So we're going to swap them on the shelf. Ouch. This thing has a hole right at where you, oh my goodness. I'll show you in just a second. That's kind of funny. Guess who needs to get some more pot holder stuff? All right. Ziggy, timer, 20 minutes. Look, look, right there. And you know, that's like right there, that's where you grab stuff. Oh my stars, that's funny. All right, I need to pick up some new pot holders at my next Walmart trip. Ha! So this one looks done. Like I jiggle it around and it's fine. And I poke it and it comes out just fine. So the other one, it seems still jiggly in the middle of it. So I'm gonna give it, I think I did 10 more minutes, so I'll get back to you then. This is how this one looks. See how it's still wet in there? And I'm poking it and it's just kind of gummy in there. So I'm gonna let this one keep going for 10 more minutes. Okay, now it's time to cut up our egg casserole. So I did take my, you're gonna laugh, but I don't care. I did take a measuring tape, and I measured approximately where the middle was, and approximately where 2.5 inches was. And yeah, it's what I did. I can't help it. So I'm going to cut them both first, and then I will package them up. So again, I make 6 of them. So each casserole will have 3 eggs in it, 2 servings of bacon, half of a serving of cheese, and some onions and peppers. And thankfully, some salt and pepper. I remember this week, yay. So then I just grab it and start filling them in. I'm interested about this other one because it was awfully wet in the middle of it. So I don't know how that's going to go down. You could add mushrooms. You could add spinach. You could add tomatoes. Whatever sounds good to you, put it in yours. You could do, I thought about doing this. You could do some sausage. That would be good. Like cook up some sausage instead of bacon. Yep. Here's the one. So I go through and I open up 12 of these. That way it's all done and ready. And then all I have to do is grab one. And hey, good deal. It was just the top part that was wet. The top where that onion was laying. So that's good. It's not wet all the way through. And since my vegetables were frozen, that's why it gave me a little bit of troubles. 2 more. Come on, fella. 1 more, and then we are done with our meal prep today. Whoop, whoop. I'm making other stuff, but that's my meal prep. Yep. Now wash these. And there you go. That's all the actual meal prep I'm doing. So, okay. See you later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like button and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.